All right, today we're going to be installing the lower camber arm for the 350Z. So this is the arm that we're going to be replacing. As you can tell, it has the eccentric bolt for camber adjustment. And then on this side, it has nothing. All right, so this is for a comparison. The stock arm, the rubber bushing, versus the Powered by Max Beefy Boy with the, what do they call these? Helical bushings or something? And over here, we have all the adjustability. Right now I have it lowered all the way as far down as it can go, so I can get as close to zero camber as I can. And then once it's installed on the car, then I can tighten all this up, make sure it stays at the setting that I want. Now that you have it completely installed, you can throw your tire back on and see how it sits and make adjustments from there. So now it should be the same for the other side. Okay, so we'll start off by removing the 17mm nut and bolt that are attached to the rear spindle. Next we'll remove the real bolt, which is a it's a 19mm bolt with a 17mm nut on it. So this bracket for the sway bar is actually in the way of the bolt coming out, as you can see here. So I'm gonna have to pop the 14mm nuts off of this, take this piece off, and then move the strut tower, or I'm sorry, the sway bar out of the way. You know, guys from the rust circle are probably gonna hate me for taking that off so easily. I apologize, but I mean, I guess that's the perks of California cars, huh? Oh no, it's ripped. Looks like I'm gonna have to be replacing these two. But that's gonna be for another video. So now that we have some movement, let's see if we can pull the bolt out. There it is. Pull the arm out of there, and we got it. We put the new arm in. And put it back in there. Now I'm gonna try and match the other side with the eccentric bolt. Couldn't get that one out. It's pointing almost straight up, and then we tighten this bad boy down. Again, this bolt nut is a 17mm. The one in the back is a 19 or 3/4. So get a bite on that. Now I set, once again, the arm to as far back as everything will go. Everything's still loose, so that we can tighten it once it's on the car. Then we're gonna lower the car, see what type of angle we have, the camber angle. We'll make adjustments from there before we take it to actually getting aligned. So there you go, both sides installed. And the camber's already looking better. The toe's kind of shit, but I'm gonna have to buy different arms for that one. That'll be for another video. Thanks for watching, guys.